One of the main pieces of evidence we looked at is a video that was being aired live on the Al Jazeera news channel. A rocket launch was visible on the frame that's looking out over the night sky. From other cameras, we can clearly see the launch of multiple rockets. The Al Jazeera camera shows one of them that appears to veer off and break apart in midair.
You can see, obviously, it fails in flight and spins out and disintegrates. It is not surprising a number of weapons fail, and it is well known that a number of weapons will drop inside Gaza and do drop inside Gaza and do, unfortunately, kill civilians in Gaza during these sorts of confrontations.
There is first a small explosion seen on the ground in the distance, and then 2 seconds later, a much larger explosion. The timestamp that was on the screen, 6:59 p.m. local time, was the time that the hospital was struck.
Those timestamps are in a very small time frame. That rocket was definitely launched from within Gaza. That a particular hospital, based on a lot of geolocation patterns, does seem to line up with that general geography and area